So this is the latest GT phone from Realme. Believe it or not, we've already got a fresh one. I have a couple of them in front of me. You can actually win one of these extras. Leave your Twitter handle down in the comments as usual and make sure you're subscribed. So there's two colors here. This one is black and I also have a green model. Neo black, Neo green. 12 gigs of RAM, 256 storage on both of them. And if you're wondering about the concept of this phone, it's back into that value for performance conversation. Let's see the specs. Snapdragon 870, 120 Hertz, E4 AMOLED display, 65 watt super dark charge, stainless steel, vapor cooling plus. Is this table a little taller than usual? I think so, but that's okay. All right, let's crack this one open and then do a quick comparison to the green model. Here is the device. This is just black, 64 megapixel camera. Oh, it's like a matte finish. It also has a slight shift in color from light to dark as it reflects light. I just noticed that the power switch has a slight texture to it. Volume buttons dedicated as opposed to a rocker on this side. Bottom USB Type-C for that 65 watt charging. That's where your SIM tray is as well. Camera is up in the corner. We've been seeing the symmetrical, we've seen it in the top left, so that's where they've decided to hide it. It's a fairly decent screen to body ratio here. I think there's a peel. I'm gonna peel. This is a fairly clean Android installation. I'll jump over to the settings real quick to check on the display. Refresh rate is hidden in an extra menu. It's set to auto select by default. You can also lock it at standard 60 Hertz as usual, and you can go up to high, which is 120 Hertz, and it'll stay there, which is what I'm gonna use instead of the dynamic mode. So it's just super duper snappy. Display is AMOLED and actually, quite vibrant. I noticed PUBG is already installed on there as well. We have a case, and in this scenario, it's almost the exact same tone. It has a matte finish to it, so it's not gonna pick up any fingerprints. I mean, that's pretty simple stuff right there. Give you some protection right out of the box. This one, the green, is far more vibrant. Welcome to the Realme family. So I've been welcomed twice in one video. Here we go. Oh my goodness, before even lifting it up, I can see the reflection on this is very, whoa, baby. That is the most wild single color I have ever seen on a smartphone on the channel. Holy, that is a statement and a half right there. So it's got a kind of metallic reflectiveness to it in person, greenish yellow, depending on the angle. It says dare to leap over here, this black polished portion, and then the matte blasted finish on the remainder. That is, whoa. You're definitely gonna turn some heads with that color. Interesting, so you get the same case regardless. I guess maybe if you need to tone it down, you have some sort of a business engagement, you can go like that and just tone it down and then just peek out a little bit with your crazy wild color. Once the engagement is over and you're ready to party, it's back to party town. Okay, so maybe let's boot up the camera a little bit here. By default, it's in 1x. It has an AI mode as well. I'm gonna shoot my usual objects here, or at least a couple. I have some chocolates. These are fancy chocolates. I think this one has like salt or something on it. Ultra wide is actually just gonna get jack. Why not? There you go. Ooh, look at the 2x. Oh, detail oriented. 5x. Whoa. Well, this is one chocolate many ways. I know I'm trying to think what is even on this chocolate. Oh, it's an almond. Should I just eat the I'm gonna. Valencia almond. Milk chocolate. Contains nuts. Contains gluten. Let's do a selfie real quick. Why not? Oh, it's a natural by default. Well done. Well done on that. Wow. Selfie test with the detail. Holy cow. Apparently, the other thing that's in here, some pretty advanced cooling system. So Jack just called it an 8-layer cooling system. All right, let's give it a run. I haven't played PUBG in about 1,000 years. Just downloading. All right, finally got this match going. I noticed if I pull in from the side, you got a full-out game mode, game focus, touch optimization, performance modes for overclocking and such. Pro gamer mode. See if we can get the phone to warm up. Ambient temperature in the room, though, is fairly cool, probably 19.5 degrees Celsius. Do we have an update from Mo the Weatherman? 19 flat. Never mind that 0.5. 600 hertz. Touch sampling, so we're gamers then. Makes us gamers. Oh, somebody's coming. We're gonna have to take him with the pistol. Okay, that wasn't too hard. Dual speaker setup, let's see. You're right, it is dual speaker. Around the earpiece and then the main speaker unit at the bottom there. Maybe if I get a vehicle quickly, then someone's gonna chase me down. 36-minute recharge, full to 100% over the 65 watt fast charge. 5,000 milliamp hour battery. That's no joke. Nobody's joking. I'm not joking about that. 6.62 inch display, AMOLED, 120 hertz, 600 hertz touch input. I can get that truck over there, I think. Yeah, I think I can take this. Sick. Oh, we're getting shot at. Cool. Let's go find that person. Where are you at? Oh, there. You're dead. Try to run over this person. Let's go. Yeah, it's not heating up at all. Like I said, it's 19 degrees in here, so I don't really expect it to, but I turned on performance mode and it's barely warm. So there you have it. It is the Realme GT Neo 2 5G. Better get it all because it's the second Neo and it's also GT. And you know it's gotta have 5G. You got Snapdragon in here, 870. That's the black, boring black. I mean, I'd probably get black anyway, but you can go completely out of control and pick up this wild color as well. I gotta see it one more time. You can go this way as well. There's a couple of options right there. Of course, these are gonna be given away, so remember to leave your Twitter handle in the comments. Make sure you're subscribed for your shot at winning one Realme GT Neo 2 5G.
Today's sponsor, NordVPN. This is a no-brainer. If you're out there browsing unprotected, no VPN, you're susceptible. They might be looking at you. Your telco might have all your information. They might turn around and sell it, and you need to know what for. It's time to step your game up on the internet to protect your privacy that is so precious and worth selling in the first place. NordVPN shields your browsing from criminals and surveillance. Nobody wants that. It's a secure tunnel, but it's still fast, still providing tremendous bandwidth for all your streaming needs because you still want to watch high-resolution content on the internet. You can secure all your devices, Mac OS, Windows, Linux, Android, iOS, and you can secure up to 6 devices with a single account, including your router. Plus, you can access the global internet. Connect, reliable encryption, fastest VPN on the planet, 5,100 plus servers worldwide. Stupid simple. nordvpn.com/unboxtherapy. The details will be in the description. nordvpn.com/unboxtherapy.